Welcome back to the Chill Spot, where Chef Viola Jack will prepare a bacon burger with cheese and sweet potato fries. First, we place the beef patty on an oiled grill. We also lay about 4 to 5 strips of bacon on the grill. We lay our hamburger bun face down on the grill. Keep turning the bacon on until it becomes slightly crispy. Check to make sure that the bun is lightly toasted on the inside. Keep turning your beef patty to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Now it's time to build your burger. First, we place some garlic sauce on the inside of the bun. Add some lettuce, some tomatoes and cucumbers. Then that mouth-watering beef patty. Some more garlic sauce. Our juicy bacon. Some grated cheese and then the other half of the bun. Now our bacon burger is ready to be served. Don't forget those sweet potato fries. So, our lineup is set and ready to be served. Let's see how our customers are enjoying their meals. Chill Spot has won the award from Best of SVG for outdoor dining 2 years in a row.
Very nice, man. Delicious.
Oh, I must compliment the chef.
Another great day at Chill Spot. Chill Spot is open from 7 a.m. until from Sunday to Sunday with a fully stocked bar and an extensive menu. So, come to Chill Spot, where owner Lance Oliver, manager Betty Kennedy, and the rest of the staff are ready to serve you. You can dine in or take away. You can even call to order. Thanks for watching Taste the Islands, where we bring great Caribbean dining home to you.